Okay, it is time to start working on this. First off, Lego needs to make more base plates. That's just wicked cool looking. Let's brush this off. Second off. Let's brush it off. Wow, I just said off a lot. It's not really filthy, probably because it was all built up on top of it. I'm sure I will find the top pieces, and those will need an actual washing. We'll get the minifigures together last. Actually, we're just gonna see if that's missing anything. This is all coming together during the Bricklink outage. Hopefully by the time this video comes out, that is over, but I really hope that this set is complete in the bin so I don't have to order parts. This concoction is mixing right here, but let's see. There we go. I'm just checking my spare parts and also realizing I often will shop from my own Bricklink store for spare parts, and I can't even look that stuff up right now. That sucks. I'm not gonna let it stop forward momentum. We need to come up with the right piece to get that attached. So there's a little weapon mount that's supposed to go there. We gotta figure out. Started writing stuff down. I wrote down the pickaxe and the rifle just because. Is the rifle supposed to be the old dark gray and the pickaxe supposed to be bluish dark gray? I don't know. So I will wait. I'll just keep it written down until I figure it out. Let's start on this. Look at that. That's really cool. So other than the rest of these teeth, don't know what else to call them. And up here, he is all done. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. I'm sure I will find those as I start working on that. So, but that's really cool. I really like how the reverse of this follows the curve of the base plate. That's neat. Yeah, rather than dig for those, sorry for the hiccup. And we need, I know I need to dig eventually because I need to happy chance find stuff, but this was not worth digging for in my book. So I think this mess will end up being that mess, but it's so intricate I can't just eyeball it, so I think I gotta take it all apart. And yeah, I gotta take it apart. Yep, my instincts were correct. Turn, and this will go, oh, just nestled back in there like that. Thank you, Lego, for making that easy. Cool. You're not supposed to be in there. You are. Now, where are you supposed to go? Right in here. Oh, I get it. Make sure this stuff doesn't get knocked off. And you go. Cool. Just keeps getting better and better. Kaboom. And with that, we completed book 1. So, let's keep going. I feel like it's a universal experience that when we were kids, we all built pyramids out of Lego, and like, it's just fun to be building one that's a little more advanced than just, you know, square of bricks, square of bricks, square of bricks, getting smaller, smaller, smaller. I'm having a lot of fun with this one. Had to go digging for these right there, and also came back with this, which should go right there. Oh, well, hold on. There we go. Scorpion has his tail. Cool. I'm still taking it apart, but this was mostly put together already. But I'm gonna take the time to do it myself just to make sure it's done right. Oh man, I just used generic replacement ones of those, but they're supposed to have stickers on them. That means I gotta find them. Found Anubis, didn't find... Oh... Horus? Is that right? That one. Just a little update here. We are missing one scorpion that goes under here. Love the little trapdoors. Very cool. We got the snakes. Still missing some scorpion teeth. Found the parts needed for that. And we're just missing the right wedge. Oh, and also missing one of these for right here. The thing about this wedge right here is this whole piece I had to reassemble from my spare parts because I could not find any of it. So, oops. And I don't think I have a spare correct wedge. I have most everything together except stickers, of course. Still missing that. Still need the wedge to finish that. Was able to finish that, which is awesome. We need only 2 more of these. I think what I'm going to have to do is... Oh, I don't want to do this. I need the map, and I think I need like another minifig accessory that I just can't find. So I think what I'm gonna have to do is just kind of set this aside until Bricklink is back online. I know there's other sites I could use, but there really shouldn't be a but to that. I'll think about it overnight. I had kind of assumed, though, that these would have belonged to that set, but apparently not. There's some Prince of Persia stuff in here, too, so maybe those bags belong to something with that. Just looking at some Prince of Persia pictures real quick, and nothing really matches that color scheme, so we have a mystery on our hands.